What's up, guys? It's your guy here, Jotach. So I'm in Masasa, and this guy just left his job to start his own thing.
Right, inini stara ndinonzi Blessing Madhori. Akasiya basa muna February 2025.
So you just woke up and then you said I quit, or it was a decision yakatora nguva refu?
Decision yakatora nguva refu. It was not easy.
Yeah.
Siya basa because kana kumbogu manje zvaitonetsa kuti nayo ni mafunge ekusiya basa. But tanga company yedu nemwako.
Ini ndinoitwa Ernest Mufundirwa. Ngasiyawo basa muna February. Titangiwo company yedu.
Company name yedu inonzi Welding Engineering. Vatacheka titange kugadzira mobile kitchen luggage trailers. So far ndo atiri kugadzira.
This is not just another video, it's a story of courage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jotach Films. It's the art of real stories.
Location but say me magazo choose this location over locations in the town.
Right. Like kunoko kwakanakira kuti kudhuze nema raw materials. Like papa takunotenga dzimisimu totanga kugadzira.
Yeah, that's a nice strategy. Kadzira company wobva waswedera kudhuze nema raw materials.
Yeah, exactly. Do patakatsvaga location yekutozvitira papi.
Yeah, ndinooneka padhuze handiti tatongobva pakambani penyu takutongofamba takananga kuenda kunotsvagadzira.
Exactly.
What were the challenges that you faced when you started your own brand as BM Welding and Engineering?
Sepakutanga pa since tatichangovhura company tasata nema machines akakwana like ma generators. So ane zesa zvaitika manje.
Yeah.
That was not easy.
My power cuts. Yeah.
That was not easy. Very big challenge resangana nayo. Since the company itanga manje vanhu vaitya kuisa madeposits avo kuplace orders.
Okay.
Even now vamwe
vachiri kutotya.
But kune vanenge varifewa nevatakagadzira iva vatina problem vanouya vachitaiwa basa redu.
Okay. So on your trailers, which one is the best selling? Yamungati ndoye nemasales akawandisa since you started the business. Iri kuita mari iyoyo.
Since tichiri kutanga kapari kumboya matrailers madiki ari kuitangira pa 1.2.
Pa 1.2?
Exactly, ndo matrailers madiki.
Okay. And then rinodhurisisa racho na rinoita how much?
Rinodhura racho riri pa 2.5.
2.5.
Tagadzira.
Okay.
Tagadzira mobile kitchen yedu ndo ye-sandwich.
Alright. So zvirimo izvi, I'm seeing this thing here.
This one I know is my cheap fryers. Funny 1,
2, 3. Alright.
Munhu kana wabika.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you hang there.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Okay, classic.
Yes, and this one is grill plates.
And
grill plate. And this one stove.
Maga stove Z.
2 plates, 2 to 1.
2. Alright.
Switch.
Then
this side kune sink.
Alright. Yeah.
Exactly. Then a small window for ventilation. And this space part is a generator.
Pano
fridge.
Oh, ndepe fridge up and generator. Okay.
So not missing fridge.
Alright.
This one is serving counter. Chefing dishes.
Okay, wow. Those are nice.
Yeah.
So the storage shelves.
Exactly.
So how much is this one?
This one is 1.7.
1.7. Wow, it's nice. And the counters from this side, it looks clean.
Yeah.
Looks clean. So do you supply like all around Zimbabwe?
Yes, we also do deliveries.
Okay.
Yeah.
You do deliveries.
Exactly.
And then you charge
When
for.
you are in Zimbabwe, yes, we charge for delivery.
Okay. That's wonderful. All right. So this one is not finished yet. You are still. You're still working on this one.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
So, this one,
Okay. All right. Yeah. And then the grill, mastov nechichichi.
This one is in the cupboards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is a nice initiative. And then when you see the frames, double sink. All right. Wow.
Exactly.
Space up the fridge for fridge.
And this one is
Saving counter and the wow.
storage shelf. And this one is the serving side.
All right. And then the people's here.
Yeah.
Wow.
No very good.
Can you open it for us? Is it working now?
Yeah, it's working. It's working.
Wow. Wow. So nice. So how long do you take to finish a mobile kitchen like this?
We take 14 to 21 days.
14 to 21.
But talking about less.
All right.
Yeah.
It depends on maybe my orders and electricity as well.
Exactly. Electricity, we solve the problem. Generator.
Oh, you now have a generator.
Yeah.
Wow. So the company is growing.
Yeah.
I can see that.
So 21 days.
21 days.
21 days is how we run.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's a nice business strategy, because if you don't meet the deadlines, obviously people will not refer other people to you.
Exactly.
They'll be like,
my days. Yeah.
Wow, that's good. So are you planning of because I know as the business grows there is need for panipako wedzerama orders. Are you planning to upscale or to increase the number of, maybe to employ some other people, you know?
Very soon.
Oh, very soon.
It depending on my orders.
I wonder I was saying.
My workers.
Wow. So far matimamboita ma-complaints here pane zvinhu zvamune magadzira?
So far ma-trailers tingati titange kuvhura kambani taane ma-trailers about 7-8
no trailers. Okay.
Yes, right.
Okay, that's wonderful. There might be other people who want to place their orders or to visit your workshop here physically. Where are you located?
We are located in Harare, Masasa.
Okay.
Number 186 Citron Road. So uchibva neside rep town uri muna Mutare Road uchisvika pane electro sales obva watena right 10 uchitena right 10 ndo inonzi Citron Road. Patena right 10 obva left side, first left uchatena ipapo ndo pa workshop yedu okura gate number 1 gate number 2.
Okay. Mr. Ernest, manga musingatyi here mimi when you decided kuti izvi ndakumbosiya izvi zvekuti ndinge ndichienda papero yomwe munhu, I want to start my own thing?
Inini kutya ndina kutya.
Hamuna kutya?
Zvangofanana nekupinda musango munonyanzoziva kuti mune shumba nenyoka nechichi.
Yeah.
Unogara watoziva kuti
ndo zviripo.
Ndo zvitoripo pake.
Yeah.
saizuta kungoshingiswa nemunhu wangu kuti hawangu sangu matatopinda mune shumba nenyumba
Yeah.
sanga
Let's just do the thing.
tobva tadi
Tomato salt.
totoita seizvozvo.